Hey y'all, hey, today's video is going to be about the decluttering and organization of our nightstands. What you're looking at right now is mine, and it is very cluttered. I just got really tired of looking at it, and I thought that I can't be the only one, you know, with a nightstand that looks like this. So I thought that it would be a good idea to do a declutter, clean, and organization video on it, and what I tend to do to make this look functional, because right now it's just not happening. And I'm sure that this may just give you the motivation that you need to declutter your nightstand as well, because like I said, I know I'm not the only one. So let's get into it.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
Okay, so first things first, I think that it is a good idea to just grab a bag or a basket, something that you can contain all of the junk that you will be removing from your nightstand. I got a plastic bag and I'm just taking it all out. I'm not discriminating with anything. It's all going in the bag, and I'm not just gonna set it and forget it. I am going to go through the bag and look at things that I want to keep and throw away. So I suggest you do the same thing. But like I said, the first thing you should do is just clear out the space so we can clean it and start fresh.
In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but
so I'm just using some Mrs. Meyer's spray, and I'm just gonna wipe everything out. I don't have a liner in my drawer, but if you are going to be putting things in your nightstand that could possibly leak and you're not going to use any kind of containers or anything, I would suggest you line it just so you can protect your drawer. But like I said, I'm going to be using all sorts of little things to keep everything in its place.
you and me, let's do something right. We can't get enough of us, you and me, every night.
So these bins that you are looking at, I did purchase them from the Dollar Tree, and I was very fortunate to find another set of bins that are also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and everything is going to fit quite nicely. I'm not the type of person that is going to go crazy over the aesthetic of this space, because only I will be seeing it. But if you like the acrylic look, then by all means go ahead and go for it, girl, do you. But it's not a big deal for me, and plus I just want to do something that was very cost effective. It's very inexpensive, but a great look all around. So I wanted to make sure that I kept things in my drawer this time that I actually would need. Every girl, every guy, they get thirsty at night. If you forget your water, you will have something in your nightstand just in case that ever happens. I like to keep things for my hands in there, as far as like lotions, hand sanitizers. Sometimes I like to touch up any chipped nail polish. If I have a broken nail, I like to file it, because the worst thing in the world is snagging your hair, snagging your clothing. So I like to take care of that stuff at night, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. That's why I'm only gonna keep things in there that I need or that bring me quote unquote joy. So I also sometimes wake up in the middle of the night with a thought, or I had a dream or something like that. I always want to make sure that I have something I can write something down on. You really just want to make sure that you have all the essentials. I'll have a pair of scissors in here. I have my knickknacks in there, because sometimes in the middle of the night I do get a sweet tooth, but it's whatever is going to work for you. I'm basically just showing you everything that is for me. I want you to do whatever you need to do in your space.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk.
Y'all, this is his nightstand. It's really not as bad as mine was. I'm just gonna declutter everything, take everything out like I did in my drawer, and I'm going to make it look nice and neat and functional.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be right to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and please make sure you have that notification bell turned on, because Friday's video is going to be a good one, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I'll see you then. Bye.
I was doing just fine the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna die.